y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lindy. This is Lindiorslife and you're back for another one. Today we're doing a little different stuff. I am about to go on a little mini vacation, a bachelorette trip, and I was like, you know what, let me bring the girls along and do like run some errands with me before my trip, get ready with me, doing all the girly things I need to be doing. Okay, today I'm about to go get a wax. I want to go get a pedicure. I have some press-ons, so I need to put those on. Lashes, need to put those on. And I'm not gonna do my hair because we're going to the beach, and I'm like, you know what, give me my last hurrah with these braids because they got to go. But yeah, I also got to go. I'm about to be late to this wax appointment if I don't go right now. That's why I'm impromptu holding y'all and talking because I'm late. Let's go do our things. And as a 9 to 5 girl, you know I'm fitting this in throughout my day, so I decided to work from home today so I can get these things done. It's gonna be my lunch break. I'm about to go get my toes done. I'm bringing my laptop with me so I can, well, I'm about to go get a wax, but I'm gonna bring my laptop with me so I can possibly get my toes done too, get a little work done, come back, finish off the work day. I already packed last night. I'm just probably gonna do some cleaning up when I come back home, and then do lashes and nails. Oh, I have to go get lashes. I'm gonna do that now too. Do all of that, maybe even work out today. It's a full day, but let's go, girls. All right, everyone, we're done with the wax. It's time for us to go see about a pedicure. So I'm about to go to this place called Kept and Co. Beauty Nails Gift. I don't know. Let's see what it's about. That's the wax spot I was just at, but I'm going to Kept and Co. right over there. It's around the corner. And they might take walk-ins, but let's see, hopefully. If not, I'm gonna go to my regular spot. Also, I need to see how much they cost because my regular spot pedicure about $55. If they're not, I'll give them $65. I don't want it. Oh, the door's right there. Let's see. Okay, I went to that nail salon. Lovely, cute vibes in there, but y'all, $80? Never $80 for a pedicure. I literally don't care. They're charging an extra $10 for French, and then obviously I'm gonna tip the girl. That's at least $80 I'm gonna be spending. Oh no, baby. Oh no. My place, I go spend $60. The place I want to go to, I'm spending $60. So I guess I'm gonna have to go back to my spot, but it's out the way and I ain't feel like doing that today, but I might have to do that today, not gonna lie. This would have been convenient. I'm gonna go into my car and see if I can find somewhere close that mimics how much I usually pay. If not, I'm gonna go to my spot. No funnies. I'm going to my spot. I don't know what y'all heard, but I'm going to do some digging real quick, see if I can find a closer nail studio. Music. Also, I was so worried that I was gonna have a boot on my car because, you know, they don't have good parking over here, which is another reason why I hate coming to this wax place. No good parking, but thank God that's not the case. So let go. Okay, the pedi done. All right, I don't have my mic right now, but she did good. It went well. Honestly, that took way longer than it should have, because I literally only did, I didn't even do a full pedicure. I just did a polish change. Granted, it's gel, but they had me on one guy, and one guy was like, he gotta go somewhere else, and the other girl was still somewhere. The child took way too long. I did some work in between, and I have to do a whole another secondary trip after work, so I'm just gonna go do some work, and then we'll circle back to finish off this lovely situation. I got about 3.5 hours more of doing my job, so let's go do it. Okay, we're back. We're clean. I bought a couple stuff at the store. It literally wasn't too much. I didn't even bring all in. But I'm about to do some skincare, some vacation prep. So come on down with me, get into it.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times and can I testify for you? I told her like you, that bitch I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not, as long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do.
All right, girls, I just packed my little makeup bag, got my stuff, got my tinted sunscreen, got my regular House Labs foundation, I got eyebrows, under eyes, Sephora Micro Smooth, we got a little mirror, Hourglass concealer, our sprays, our primer, this lip tint, which is really good. Yeah, and that's pretty much the tea of it all. And then I have my brushes in here, and then I put my other toiletry bag on top, close this up, call it a day. Disregard what's going on behind me right now, okay? She's getting ready to go. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna take these off. I literally can't breathe right now. It's time to do the lashes. I do the lashes or the nails first? I think the lashes, because I can do the nails at a later date. Got her packed up. She's going in the bag because she's going on the trip. These are the nails I'm going to do. I'm going to do the butter yellow moment because I think that's really fun and beachy. These are the lashes I like to use. I get them from my local beauty supply store, but you know, do whatever your heart desires. And I like to do a light lash, so I'm probably going to be doing, it goes from 10 to 15 mm's. I'm probably going to do 10, 11, and 12. Yeah, do two, I'm going to do 2 12s, 2 11s, and maybe a 13. Maybe I'll do a 13, 2 12s, 2 11s. No, because it really only 5 fit on my, okay, yeah, 2 12s, 2 11s, and a 10. That's what I'm gonna do. I still use this mascara bonding wand. I tried a different brand one time and it like had my eyes blurry and itchy. So I'm just back to my old faithful, okay? You don't wanna like use it as mascara. And so I'm putting the 212 on the outside corner. Sometimes it's like a smooth ride, sometimes they get stuck on stuff, I don't know, but I'm not that picky. I don't need them to be perfect, I just need them to be cute for a weekend. Can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out sushi sweet and keep me rolling, but if that'll do for now, I guess. These aren't the ones that I usually get, I think, but she's cute. She's a moment. Next, we're gonna do these. I'm probably just gonna do it off cami. I'll come back with y'all for this because I have to go tend to something. But if I don't come back, actually I'm gonna come back. Just not right now. Adios.